Just sit there home, you're watching TV, and your life is passing you by. You keep procrastinating over and over again. Maybe I'll go to school next year, maybe this year. No, do it right now.
Couple thought, book who on the song me. Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that fugazi. Smoke, drink, count up, in that all the baby. Couple thought, book who on the song me. Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that fugazi. Smoke, drink, count up, in that all the
Poppin', it's HotBoyMalic and I'm back with that heat. And know you get down if you new here. Make sure you subscribe to the gang. If you lame, you can't hang. I don't want bang with you. Hey bro, that boy YB dropped something. Now tell me why they say this nigga dropped the music video at like 2:30, 3 in the morning or some shit. Like everybody was asleep. Still went crazy, you feel me? Everybody know this is first song out since he been in that can. Now I haven't listened to the song yet or seen the video, but everybody been saying that nigga YB talking that shit. You know that nigga throwing shots, so he back out and he on that bullshit. We finna see what he talking about, bro. Everybody been spamming me to react to this video, but y'all already knew I was gonna be on that, you feel me? I was at work, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all was waiting on the GOAT to bring his press reaction, but I was at work, bro. Now I'm off, you feel me? I jumped in the shower, got out the shower like 30 minutes ago, you feel me? Now we about to rock out. We about to see what that nigga YB talking about. The small hair YB, this not the YB with the dreads. You feel me? This the haircut YB. I seen that nigga Rich the Kid head came down. No, YB can't leave the house and shit. Y'all know that shit there with that like court shit and all that. YB can't leave the house, so Rich the Kid came down, jumped in the video. This bitch should be rolling. That cheap keep shit with the ATVs and shit. I like that shit. It's the kid HotBoyMalic, aka Mr. Rockout. We about to see what he talking about on game. Slime mentality, nigga. That nigga put on all his jewelry for this one. That nigga put on every watch, all his chains. I know that shit heavy as fuck though. Oh yeah, that nigga most definitely. He not on 38 because they ain't got a damn house out there that look nothing like this. The neighborhood looks nothing like this. But you know what I'm saying? I already know Youngboy stay in a nice neighborhood out here. You feel me? With big house and shit. You know what I'm saying? I would hope he got a big house because nigga can't go nowhere. Nigga say he gonna only go to church and to the bank. Like, nigga, what the fuck? That's basically like that nigga not even free. You feel me? Nigga can't go your shit just to see what's on your mind. Okay, that nigga back on that bullshit. He say he been cooling. He say he been cooling, but I like that shit. I like that shit, you know what I'm saying? But hey, that's gonna be it for this video, bro. If y'all rocked out with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all spam that like button. Make sure y'all share this video, you feel me? We rocking out over that nigga YB home. It's a lot of beef going on, you feel me? So I know this one right here, he throwing shots, you feel me? I feel like, I know he taking shots at on some shit, but I don't know. Everybody put in the comments who y'all think he taking shots at. But I feel like he said some shit about Jada Youngin. And I actually seen some shit today on Jabot TV or some shit. They talking about Jada Youngin diss YB at a concert or some shit. I don't know. I'm gonna check that shit out and see if that shit true or not. You feel me? But if it is, bro, it's about to be a lot of smoke. It's about to be a lot of smoke. Y'all know I like both sides with the music shit. So it's like, I don't know, son. Like I already knew he was gonna be back on that bullshit though. Like the shit happened while he was in jail. Now he home. It's up now. You feel me? But hey, that's it for this video, bro. And I'm out. HBL.
And you know this, man.
Money good inside my bag. Something better do the day back in my city by the yeah. Couple thought, but who want a song me? Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that fugazi. Smoke, drink, count up, and that all the baby. Couple thought, but who want a song me? Blue rack stacked up, I'm in love with money. Straight down to the business, ain't with that fugazi. Smoke, drink, count up.